Need more organized storage? In this video, I'm reviewing 5 of the best storage cabinets, comparing storage space, durability, design, and value to help you choose the right one for your home or office. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Metal storage cabinet with 2 doors and 6 shelves. Black metal cabinet with lock. 71-inch lockable garage storage cabinets. Locking file cabinet. Steel tool cabinets for home, office, garage, shop, school. This metal storage cabinet is a strong option for American buyers who need a lot of organized storage without taking up too much floor space. It features 2 locking doors and 6 shelves, giving you plenty of room for tools, office supplies, equipment, documents, and household items. The tall 71-inch design makes good use of vertical space, which is especially helpful in garages, workshops, offices, schools, and utility rooms. The lockable doors also provide an added layer of security, keeping stored items out of sight and helping prevent unauthorized access. The steel construction makes it more suitable for heavier-duty storage than a typical plastic cabinet. The adjustable shelving gives you flexibility when storing items of different sizes. You can organize smaller tools and supplies on one level while leaving more vertical room for larger equipment. For a garage or workshop, this can make a big difference because everything has a designated place instead of being scattered across shelves or work surfaces. Overall, this is a great choice for buyers who want a tall, lockable steel storage cabinet with multiple shelves for home, office, garage, or workshop organization. Number 2. Metal garage storage cabinets with locked door and adjustable shelves. Steel tool cabinets for home, office, warehouse organization. This metal garage storage cabinet is designed for buyers who want durable, organized storage for tools, equipment, supplies, and other items. Its steel construction and locking door make it a practical option for garages, workshops, offices, warehouses, and utility spaces where secure storage is important. One of the biggest advantages is the adjustable shelving. Instead of being restricted to fixed shelf positions, you can arrange the interior based on what you're storing. That makes it easier to accommodate everything from smaller hand tools and hardware to larger household or workshop supplies. The locking door is another useful feature for a garage or workplace. It keeps stored items concealed and provides additional security, especially if multiple people have access to the area. The metal construction also gives the cabinet a more professional and durable feel than lightweight storage furniture. For American buyers, this type of cabinet makes sense when you want to turn a cluttered garage, warehouse, or workspace into a more organized storage area. However, make sure you have enough room for the cabinet and consider how much weight each shelf is designed to support before loading it with heavy tools. Overall, the metal garage storage cabinet is a solid choice for buyers who need secure, adjustable, and durable storage for a garage, office, warehouse, or workshop. Number 3. Sauder Miscellaneous Storage Cabinet, Harmony Ash Finish. The Sauder Miscellaneous Storage Cabinet is a good choice for American buyers who want a more traditional-looking storage solution for the home or office. Unlike a typical metal garage cabinet, its Harmony Ash finish gives it a furniture-style appearance, making it easier to blend into rooms where you don't want industrial-looking storage. It's well suited for organizing household items, office supplies, books, accessories, cleaning products, or other belongings that tend to create clutter. The enclosed cabinet design keeps everything out of sight, which can make a room look much cleaner than using open shelving. One of the biggest advantages here is versatility. This type of cabinet can work in a home office, bedroom, living area, hallway, or utility space where appearance matters just as much as storage. However, buyers who need heavy-duty storage for power tools, automotive equipment, or large workshop supplies may be better served by a steel cabinet. Overall, the Sauder Miscellaneous Storage Cabinet is a strong choice for buyers who want organized, enclosed storage with a furniture-style appearance that fits naturally into a home or office. Number 4. Metal garage storage cabinet with 2 doors and 5 adjustable shelves. 71-inch steel lockable file cabinet, locking tool cabinets for office, home, garage, gym, school. This 71-inch metal garage storage cabinet is designed for buyers who need secure, heavy-duty organization in a garage, workshop, office, gym, or school. It features 2 doors and 5 adjustable shelves, giving you plenty of flexibility for storing items of different sizes. The tall design makes good use of vertical space, which is especially useful when floor space is limited. Instead of spreading tools and supplies across multiple small storage units, you can organize a large collection inside one cabinet. The adjustable shelves allow you to change the interior configuration depending on whether you're storing small tools, boxes, equipment, or larger supplies. The lockable steel construction is another major advantage. It helps keep your belongings secured and concealed, which can be useful in shared workspaces, garages, or areas where multiple people have access. The steel construction also makes it a better fit for demanding storage environments than lightweight household cabinets. For American buyers, this cabinet makes the most sense when durability and security are priorities. Just make sure to check the cabinet's dimensions, shelf weight limits, and available floor space before purchasing. Overall, this is an excellent option for buyers who want a tall, lockable steel cabinet with adjustable shelves for serious garage, workshop, office, or commercial storage. Number 5. Devoco 30-gallon resin deck box 2-pack outdoor-indoor waterproof storage box for patio furniture pool accessories storage for cushion garden tools. The Devoco 30-gallon resin deck box 2-pack is a completely different approach to storage and is especially useful for American homeowners who need extra space for outdoor belongings. Instead of taking up vertical wall space like a traditional cabinet, these boxes provide enclosed storage that can be placed on a patio, deck, porch, garage, or other convenient location. With two 30-gallon storage boxes, you can separate different categories of items instead of throwing everything into one large container. They're useful for storing patio accessories, pool supplies, garden tools, outdoor cushions, toys, and other items that can quickly clutter an outdoor area. However, buyers looking for a secure indoor tool cabinet should choose one of the metal options instead. A resin deck box is primarily about convenient outdoor organization rather than heavy-duty workshop storage or high-security protection. Overall, the Devoco 30-gallon resin deck box 2-pack is a smart choice for American buyers who need weather-resistant outdoor storage for patio cushions, pool accessories, garden supplies, toys, and other household items. That wraps up my top 5 best electric bike picks. I hope this comparison helped you find the right ride for commuting, errands, or everyday use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.